Hey, what's up, guys? David here. Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever felt like you're trying to run an online business all by yourself? Creating content, managing campaigns, answering messages, setting up automation, and it just never ends? You're basically doing the job of an entire team, but you're just one person, and that's exhausting. Now imagine if you could actually have your own AI-powered team working for you 24/7, handling the heavy lifting, while you stay in control without needing to hire anyone or deal with complicated setups. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. But before we dive in, make sure you check out the link in the description below. I've put together a full written review article where you can see all the details, including the OTOs, discount offers, the all-in-one bundle deal, and also my exclusive bonuses that cover different aspects of digital marketing to help you get the best results possible with this product. Alright, so what is OneManArmy? OneManArmy is basically a powerful all-in-one AI command dashboard that lets you run an entire AI team from a single interface. Instead of juggling multiple tools or hiring people, you get 3 specialized AI bots working together for your business, all deployed with just one click. No servers to set up, no API keys to mess with, and no technical headaches. You can literally be up and running in about 5 minutes, and everything works for you around the clock. Inside OneManArmy, you have 3 main AI systems. First, there's Paperclip, your AI commander. This one plans your goals, designs workflows, and even suggests hiring AI employees. But everything happens only after your approval. Then you've got OpenClaw, your AI field operator. This is the one that actually executes tasks and runs workflows. You can access it from the web, Telegram, or even Discord. And finally, there's Hermes, your AI intelligence specialist. This is a self-learning AI that remembers your business, improves over time, and even creates its own skills to help optimize your campaigns. So instead of doing everything yourself, you're now the commander, and your AI army does the work for you.
Welcome to One Man Army. One Man Army is built so you finally have your own AI army that builds, runs, and grows your operations without you being the one doing everything. Before I show you the dashboard, I want you to see why this matters. These 3 bots, Paperclip, OpenClaw, and Hermes, are some of the most powerful AI agents on the planet right now. This is OpenRouter's app and agent rankings page. And you can see here, Hermes and OpenClaw are sitting right at the top of the global rankings. These are not random little AI tools. These are some of the most used AI agents in the world right now. But the catch? Setting them up yourself is brutal. Docker, API keys, server configuration, keeping them online when your laptop is shut. Most people give up before they get a single bot deployed. That's why we built One Man Army. You deploy these world-class agents in minutes. No servers to configure, no software to install, no API wallets to fund. We include the AI access for you. Let me show you. First, Paperclip. I will deploy it right now. This takes about a minute. So let's click on create your first bot and let's choose Paperclip and then let's give it a company name. For this demo, I'm going to use Paperclip for something very practical. So let's just say that we are going to create this Paperclip to sell Paperclip installation services to local businesses. So let's just call this, and the company mission will be selling Paperclip to local businesses. Then we can choose the AI model that will power your Paperclip. Now, the biggest friction with these bots normally is the AI access. You'd be paying an outside provider, loading a wallet, managing keys, watching your credit drain. So we killed that. Your access is included from day one. So your bots just works with this complimentary access. So let's choose complimentary access and let's accept the use policy, and let's just go ahead and click on create instance. While it's spinning up, here is what Paperclip actually is. Think of it as your AI company. So there's a CEO at the top. You give the CEO a business goal, and the CEO breaks that goals into roles, figures out what AI employees you need to hire, and ask your approval before any of them go to work. So you stay in command and the bot executes. So this is the planning brain of your operation, not chatting with you, building the structure around your goal. So our paperclip is now ready to use. So the first step is to actually get it set up by signing up. So let's just click on invite URL. And once that is done, let's just refresh this and we are inside the paperclip dashboard. So this is the dashboard. It is clean, it is simple, and I will show you around how all of this works. So first, let's go ahead and give our paperclip a goal. As we decided, this will be a paperclip to sell the paperclip installation service to local businesses. So let's just click on add goal and let's just say sell paperclip to local businesses. And in the description, we will say our goal is to find potential local businesses and help them run automation via paperclip and charge them a monthly fee for doing it. We take care of the setup and API keys, etc. Clients can have this up and running within 24 hours. So let's click on create goal. And now this goal is set in our paperclip. So all the employees that will do the work will work around this goal. So let's go ahead and go to dashboard. And now let's give our first task to the CEO. So basically your company has a organization and right now we only have one employee, which is CEO. So what we are going to do is we are going to ask the CEO to hire some employees to help with our goal. So let's click on new issue and let's give it a task. So the first task we are going to say is hire 3 employees as per our goal. And in the description, we are going to say, I want to create a small AI automation agency that sells paperclip setup and AI employee systems to local businesses. Create a company structure for this agency, hire 3 AI employees I should hire, define their roles, and help me find the first type of clients I should target. So let's assign this to CEO and it will start working. And here you can see the CEO has started working. Now it is going to figure out what we need here and then it is going to plan everything for us. And you can see here the CEO has created 3 employees for us to check. So these are sales agent, solutions engineer, and account manager. So if we go to inbox here, we can see these 3 agents and now we can approve the hire. So let's go ahead and click on approve. And that's it. So we have these agents working for us. So if we go to our organization chart right now, so we have a CEO and then there are 3 employees reporting to it. And these agents have everything they need to actually start working for us. So if we go to sales agent and read its instructions, you'll be able to see what it can do. So we can give it a task and it will actually work around the goal that we have set. I also want to show you a really cool feature that we have built inside OneManArmy dashboard. So let's go back to OneManArmy dashboard here. And here we have this feature called Hire AI Agents. So this feature is specifically for Paperclip. And what you can do from here is you can actually instantly deploy AI employees to your Paperclip. So these are ready-made employees that have all the instructions in it that can do its job properly. So we have all these employees here, you can see. So there is a chief marketing officer, chief technology officer, sales lead, and so on. And we also have API specialists. So you can actually extend your Paperclip's functionality by giving it additional tools such as email or ability to create images or ability to create videos from Replicate. So these use third-party APIs to do this for you, and it can even do social media scheduling and posting for you. So let me just deploy a image specialist. So it gives image creation ability to our paperclip project, and it will work through Replicate. So we need to provide a Replicate API key for it to work. So let me just go ahead and click on deploy. And it is going to ask us which paperclip to install this on. So it's already selected. Let's click continue. And now it's going to ask us to approve this hire from paperclip. So let's click on approve. And let's get back. Now it needs a replicate token, which is API key. So let's just give that. So I already have a API key created for replicate. You don't need to do this if you don't want the image creation ability for your paperclip. So let's just click on continue. And that's it. So it has deployed this image specialist into our paperclip. So let's go ahead and check it out. So here you can see now we have image specialist, and we can actually assign a task to it. So let's just say that's just a simple task to see how it works. So we are asking it to create a image with beach and sand. So let's see how it's working right now. So let's go to dashboard here and let's click on this issue. And here now we can see it's thinking shortly how it's going to create this image for us. So it is going to use the replicate API, and usually it costs about 1 cent to create one image. You will need to fund your replicate account if you want it to create images or videos, but these are extremely cheap and they are one-time price. So here you can see that it's already working. So I can see the image already. It's still working, but I can see the image here already. And we can just click on it and view the image that it has created. This is the image that it has created for us. So it took us about 10 to 15 seconds to deploy this into our paperclip, and now it has the functionality to create images for us. I also want to show you how we are using paperclip in another way. So we also have another paperclip setup here, which is actually a SEO agency. And here I want to show you the org chart that we have for this. So here you can see that we have multiple employees working here, and this is a SEO bureau. So it actually does a lot of SEO stuff, and it can do audits for your clients. It can create comprehensive reports for SEO. It can do SEO writing for clients and so on. So you can set up paperclip pretty much however you want, and then all the employees will work towards one goal and they will report to CEO. And that's the power of paperclip. So for anyone selling services, running an agency, doing affiliate campaigns, building products, or managing client work, paperclip becomes the planning layer. It helps you structure the work, it helps you break down the goal, and it helps you build the AI team around that goal. And before you ask, yes, the commercial license is included. Use this for your own business or spin up paperclip setups for clients and charge them for it. People are doing exactly this on Fiverr and Upwork right now for $500 to $2,500 per setup. Now let's move to the second bot. Now let's deploy OpenClaw. This is the doer of the team. If Paperclip is the planner, OpenClaw is the field operator, the one that goes out and actually does the work. So let's click on create another bot and let's choose OpenClaw. And we are going to create with complementary AI access, and let's just click on create instance. So OpenClaw is really powerful and it can do a lot of stuff, and you can also hook it up with your Telegram or Slack or Discord. So you can actually manage OpenClaw from your phone, and you can see it's already done. So let's just look at what we have here. So you can connect your OpenClaw to your paperclip if you want, or you can also connect your Telegram, Slack, and Discord from here. So let's click on Open Dashboard. And we are inside our OpenClaw right now. So there are a ton of things you can do here, but let's just do a simple thing for now. So we're going to say research 5 local business niches that could benefit from AI automation services. For each niche, explain the pain point, what kind of AI service we could offer, and why they may pay for it. Then create a simple report I can use for planning. Show me the report here so I can read it. Let's send that. And now it's going to do this research for us and get back to us. So let's wait for that. And you can see here it has actually done a comprehensive work, and we can actually ask it to go deeper and do more research for a specific thing. Another really cool thing you can do with OpenClaw is that you can ask it to find clients for you. It will actually do a really good job. So let's just say find 2 dentists from New York that need help with AI automation along with their phone or website URL. And now let's see what it comes up with. And you can see it pretty much instantly gave us these 2. And we can go ahead and actually look at them and see what they do. So we can actually contact them with our paperclip or OpenClaw or Hermes installation service. You can also install some specific skills in OpenClaw for finding the best leads, and we already have a training for this as well. And there are a bunch of other things that you could do with OpenClaw. So that's OpenClaw for you. So let's go back to our dashboard now. And now the third one, Hermes. So let's click on create another bot. And let's choose Hermes. And let's just accept and click on create. Now, while this is setting up, let me tell you why Hermes is one that quietly becomes your unfair advantage. So Hermes is your AI intelligence specialist, the memory layer. Every other AI tool you have used, ChatGPT, Claude, all of them starts every conversation from zero. You're explaining your business every Monday. Hermes doesn't. Hermes writes to its own memory after every task. It learns your business as you use it. Your clients, your offers, your brand voice, your campaign history. Here's the line I want you to sit with for a second. Starting Hermes today versus starting Hermes 6 months from now is an unfair advantage that compounds quietly. Every task you give it makes the next task better. Every client you load into it stays in there. 6 months from now, no freelancer, no new AI tool, no new assistant on the planet can catch up to your Hermes. And you can see the Hermes is already provisioned for us, and we can use it through an API, or we can use it through our Telegram, Slack, or Discord. So Hermes does not have a UI. It works via terminal. So let's hook it up with Telegram, and you can also give Hermes specific tools so it can use them for you. So right now we have resend, replicate, and upload posts. So Hermes can actually send emails or generate images or videos, or it can schedule posts on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and so on. So let's first integrate our Telegram. So let me just go ahead and do it. So now it's going to add our Telegram details to our Hermes instance, and it's done. So now let's click on messaging platform, and you can see the Telegram is connected now. Also, let's just give it email functionalities, and let's click on save and restart. Now our Hermes instance is going to have ability to send emails, and we can control it from Telegram. So the work keeps on going even though we are on the move, and it's all set up right now. So now let me take you to my Telegram and show you how it works. All right, so this is my Telegram here, and this is the bot that we configured with Hermes. So let's click on start here. And now let's give it a first task. So I'm going to say, remember this client profile. ABC Dental Clinic is a family dental practice in New York. Their tone is friendly, calm, and trustworthy. They want more implant and cosmetic dentistry leads. Their main offer is a free smile consultation. Their audience is working professionals aged 30 to 55. So let's just send that. And now the Hermes is going to process this for us. So as you can see, it's typing right now here. And so let's wait for its response. And now you can see that they have saved it. So let's go ahead and give it next message. So let's just say, based on what you remember about ABC Dental Clinic, create a one-page marketing plan and format it like a client-ready PDF outline. Also draft a short email I can send to client with this plan. So let's just send that and let's wait for it. All right, you can see the plan is here. We can download it and view it. We can also give more information to our Hermes. We can just drag and drop images or videos or even the text files of your clients so that it can store all of that for you. Now you can see the plan is pretty good. So let's just ask it to send us an email with this. So I'm going to say now draft a short email to me with this plan included and with the subject. So let's just send that. Now here it should actually find that we have resend already integrated. I have not asked it to use resend, but it should be able to find it. And then it should be able to send the email via resend. So now the email is sent here, as we can see. So let's go ahead and check it. So that's the marketing plan that we got here. And it has sent it from our verified domain as well. And one more use case I want to show you is that we can integrate upload post here. Let's go to upload post and get the API key. And I'm going to paste it here to our Hermes and let's click on save and restart. So upload post is a API that lets us schedule and post on our social media. So I'm going to do that right now through Hermes. And it's restarted now. So let's go to our Telegram and now it should have access to upload post. So we'll say, can you find and summarize latest AI news and make one post on my X account via upload post? Keep it short. And you can see it's done. It already posted on my account. So let's just go and check it. And this is the post that it has sent. And it did a pretty good job with it. And those are just 3 demos. Here's a fraction of what people are already doing with these bots. So Paperclip plans the operations, OpenClaw does the work, Hermes remembers and improves. Hundreds of business use cases, content production, client services, AI agencies, affiliate marketing, local marketing, digital products. Every one of these is something people are charging real money for right now. You can pick one, run with it, add the next when you're ready. And that's OneManArmy. 3 of the most powerful AI agents on planet. One dashboard, deployed in minutes, running in parallel towards whatever business goal you give them. You give the direction, they do the heavy lifting, you review and approve. Agencies are charging clients $5,000 a month to set up this exact kind of system. With OneManArmy, you can use it for yourself or sell it to your own clients with commercial rights included from day one.
If you grab the main product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus packages. Let me show you some of them in this video. Package 1. Create Brand and Profit Vault, a bonus package built to help you create content faster, brand your stuff professionally, and monetize smarter. Inside the vault, you'll get content plus video creation tools like Article Buddy Pro and Auto Video Creator, so you can produce articles and videos without getting stuck. For lead generation and selling, you're also getting Customer List Builder, plus training-style bonuses like Selling to the World and e-commerce fire sale to help you turn views and clicks into real sales. Then for branding and design, you'll have Logo Studio, 123 logo kit, and 300 logo templates, so you can put together a clean logo and consistent look in minutes. And to make your visuals instantly look more premium, you'll also receive a full set of creative assets, including HD video motion backgrounds, abstract image collection, graphics empire, whiteboard SVG graphics bundle, and miscellaneous stock photos, perfect for thumbnails, landing pages, and video scenes. Finally, if you plan to sell digital products, you'll love the Kindle e-cover pack plus graphics ever, 50 e-covers and headers, to make your offers look like paid products. And you've got a few extra creative tools too, like Vector Cartoon Package, Turbo GIF Animator, Facebook Timeline Cover, and Teespring Instant Cash for extra monetization angles. Package 2, the 2026 AI Moneymaker Bootcamp Vault. This bonus package is about one thing, helping you start earning online with AI. Inside, you're getting a stack of trainings like Create and Monetize Your Own AI Influencer and the Zero Product AI Income System. So even if you don't have your own product, you can still start generating income by promoting winning offers with AI doing the heavy lifting. You'll also get the YouTube Autopilot AI system, long-form content, to build a content engine that can grow views and monetization consistently, plus the PDF income machine and copy-to-cash digital product system if you want to create quick digital products and start selling. And for the higher income route, Build and Sell AI Automations shows you how to package simple AI systems for businesses and get paid for it, often on a monthly basis. You get multiple proven paths: influencer, affiliate, YouTube, PDFs, digital products, and automations, so you can choose the one that fits you and start moving fast. This video only showed part of what's included. There are even more bonuses waiting for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full breakdown.
Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals, writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7, ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, Whiteboard Explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tubitraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones. And Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche: sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resale rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.
So that's it for my one-man army review. Now, before you make any decision, I strongly suggest you check out the full review linked in the description below. On that page, I go much deeper, including a complete walkthrough and demo, the full pricing and OTO breakdown with the bundle deal option, and a clear explanation of who this is really best suited for. You'll also find my exclusive bonus package, which is designed to support different areas of digital marketing like traffic generation, automation, content creation, and monetization. These bonuses are there to help you get more out of OneManArmy and improve your overall results online, not just one specific platform. So if you're serious about building your online business, getting more traffic, generating leads, or creating new income streams, go ahead and click the link in the description, check out the full review, watch the demo, and see if this is the right fit for you.
All right, JVs, we are taking AI to the next level now with our next launch. And we're including marketing that's really going to make this sell. Rohit and I are back with an explosive launch combining Paperclip, OpenClaw, and Hermes in an amazing all-in-one system called OneManArmy. Plus, we're featuring a superhero theme to really catch buyer attention. Now, right now, your list knows that these AI agents are the future, but they're complicated to install, they break, you know that, and they require technical setup. Most people never get them working properly, so what they do is they end up going back to ChatGPT, right? They juggle tabs, they repeat themselves over and over again, they get frustrated, and that's where OneManArmy changes everything as the world's first hosted AI army platform. I'm not talking about the typical AI team app where a few generic bots pass messages back and forth and kind of pretend to collaborate. This one is built on top of the actual framework your list is already hearing about everywhere in the past few weeks: Paperclip, OpenClaw, and Hermes. Now, they are all trending big time. And we put all three on one hosted central command dashboard so operators can run them on the same projects at the same time. Where'd my goatee go? OneManArmy runs specialized AI systems with real roles so that folks can have a business completely working for them. Paperclip acts as the commander, planning, organizing, assigning tasks. OpenClaw acts as the field operator, executing the actual work. And Hermes acts as the intelligence specialist, remembering, learning, and improving over time. 3 real systems, 3 specialized roles. That's one army, one operator in command. And your buyers don't have to install anything. No Docker, no terminal, no API hunting, no setup headaches. We host it all. And we've even included complimentary API access so they could get started immediately. Your subscribers want the power of AI agents, but without the technical nightmare. We all do. And that's exactly what we've built here. And we are calling it OneManArmy. We're leaning heavily into the superhero theme to help you sell, and also using my images to bring this concept home. I'm the OneManArmy. This branding will help buyers understand the importance of this run your entire business with just one person theme. The first pre-launch webinar is May 31st at 8 p.m. Eastern, another on 10 a.m. the following Monday. That's the next day. The pre-launch webinars will be where the biggest conversions happen, so grab your affiliate link, download the swipes below, and let's make this a huge launch together.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.